Today we are talking about a profitable trading strategy built on TradingView that surprisingly has generated profits in every time frame. And if you're serious about trading, you know this doesn't happen a lot. We're gonna analyze exactly which indicators we need and on which assets it works best. So, let's jump straight into it. The core of this strategy's entry rules is simple. We rely on one indicator for main entries, and then we refine those signals with two additional indicators for confirmations. This helps filter out noise and avoid many of the weaker signals. First, open the indicator session, search for fractal chaos bands, and select this one by H pattern. This is our main entry signals generator. It's a simple indicator that looks back in time and generates two lines. The upper fractal line is made by plotting price highs, and lower fractal line by plotting price lows. But how much we look back in time, searching for highs and lows, this depends on the pattern value right here. Basically, the higher this value and the more we look back in time. We're gonna change this value from 1 to 2. And as you can see, by changing that value, there is less zigzag movement and it's more consistent. The way we're gonna open long and short positions using this indicator is absolutely easy. When the price crosses over the upper fractal line, basically when the price breaks out this red line, we're gonna open long position. This is a good long signal, this is also a good long signal, and so on. While we're gonna open shorts when the price crosses under the lower fractal line, meaning breaks down this green line. This is a good short signal, this is another good short signal, and so on. We can simply set this rule in our strategy builder just by going here, setting the fractal chaos band up, and here the price crossover. While for shorts, we set the fractal chaos band down, the green line, and we need the price to cross under. And now, as you can see, we have long positions just right here and short positions here. Next, we can add one of the two confirmations, which is based on the moving average. We're gonna use the T3 moving average with a length of 25. As you can see, we have the moving average just right here, and we're gonna allow long position when the price is above our T3, while short positions are allowed only if the price is below our T3. Let me quickly set the rule. Set the moving average here. That's amazing. Here we still have our long positions because the price is always above our moving average, while here we move the short position from this candle to this other candle, because here the price was above our T3, while here the price is below our moving average. The last confirmation is based on the choppiness index, an amazing indicator that measures the sideways movement in the market. The higher the chop line value, the more sideways movement we see, meaning low volatility. So based on this principle, we're gonna allow both long and short positions only when the price is below 40 level. As you can see, whenever we have high volatility period, such as in this period right here, our chop line is below the 40 level. Let me set this other confirmation in just 2 seconds. Alright, we have removed some trades, now we just have 2 long positions and 1 short position, confirming that we are in high volatility period. That's great, guys! We have just set all our entry rules. Now, to complete our strategy, we need to set our exit rules, stop loss and take profit. Considering we are using a trend following strategy, a trading stop loss would be best. It moves with the price and stays a set percentage away. If the price goes the other way, we'll close the trades. We're gonna set a trading stop loss percentage based on 5% distance. For a take profit, we'll use a fixed take profit percentage based on 30%. This way, the trading stop loss can do its job, and we'll let the trade breathe. As you can see, here's our trading stop loss, which moves with the price. If the price goes down more than 5% from here, we'll close our position. While if the price continues to go up until the 30% distance from our entry, our take profit will be triggered. For short positions is exactly the same. Our stop loss is set at 5% distance, but when the prices goes up, we're gonna close our positions. For a take profit, as for a long position, is set at 30% distance. That's amazing, guys! Now, since we have just completed our strategy, we are ready to jump into the backtest results. I did some backtests for this strategy, and as you can see, these are all the results in this spreadsheet. All the backtests that I've done are based on an initial capital of $10,000 with a commission of 0.06%. The order size is $10,000 with fixed amount and with just 1x leverage, so basically zero leverage. we start to analyze the top performing one asset, which as you can see has generated a mind-blowing rising equity line, along with the 277% net profit, 7.91% max drawdown, 81 total trades, 50.72 win rate, and 3.28 profit factor. Net profit/drawdown 19, which is the highest value I've ever seen in all my backtests so far. Daily profit 1.09%, the backtesting length is 252 days. Checking the monthly table, we didn't even have any losing months, which is another interesting aspect. Expectancy 1.13, absolutely astonishing guys. A risk-reward ratio of 3.2 that combined with a win rate of over 50% make this backtest absolutely incredible. Max win trade 30%, of course because we have set a fixed take profit percentage of 30%, while the max loss trade 5%, since we are using a trailing stop loss at 5% distance. In reality we have 5.12 because our backtest includes the commission, 0.06 multiplied by 2. Then we can try to change the position size mode from fixed to percentage of equity. In order size we can just leave $10,000 because when we switch the position size from fixed to percentage of equity, we can leave it 10,000, since the strategy builder will automatically convert any value over 100 to 100 when using a percentage-based position size. And as you can see now we have a total profit and loss of over 1000%. And keep in mind that we didn't apply any leverage to our strategy, so we could even boost a little bit by applying some leverage and some optimization, so there is still room for improvement. Another aspect that makes this strategy really appealing and boosts my confidence in it is that it makes profit in each and every time frame from 4 hours to 5 minutes. As you can see, in the 4 hour we have a 98.32% net profit, but we should be careful because we just have 17 trades, which is a low number of sample for a backtest. By the way, we still have profitable results, like in the 2 hour where we have 183%, 1 hour 148, 45 minutes 730, 30 minutes is the one that we backtest before, over 1000, 15 minutes almost 1000, 10 minutes 200%, and 5 minutes 275% net profit, which is absolutely incredible guys. If we try to switch to 1 minute, we just saw that the strategy didn't perform a lot. Now, to be honest, I never use the 1 minute time frame because there is a lot of noise, and even if you find a good setup, it's unlikely that it will last long. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's high unlikely. Also, in this case, we have just 25% total trades, which is really low to evaluate this backtest. That's all for this strategy. I think we've found an extremely good setup. Please let me know in the comment section if you appreciate this indicator and the strategy. Also, if you like this content, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.